Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now. You can query military activity near Taiwan with world-intel-mcp, a real-time global intelligence server. This world intelligence server offers 113 tools across 30-plus domains, all from free public APIs. You get tools for financial markets, forex, bonds, earnings, and SEC filings, among many other domains. To quickly start, install world-intel-mcp, then run it as an MCP server or use the dashboard. The architecture uses a fetcher for HTTP requests, a circuit breaker for reliability, and a kdrant vector store for semantic search. The MCP tools reference lists specific commands like Intel market quotes for stock index quotes, giving you direct access to real-time data. Ever wish your AI could instantly access Path of Exile data, like live pricing or build parsing? poe-data-mcp makes that a reality. This poe-data-mcp server gives any large language model access to Path of Exile game data, including gems, unique items, and even live pricing. poe-data-mcp is part of the larger poe-mcp suite, a collection of servers that works with any MCP-compatible AI agent. Installation is quick and easy. You can use an ephemeral runner like UVX to fetch and run poe-data-mcp on demand without manual setup.
For MCP configuration, the MCP servers block is standard across clients like Claude Desktop, where you just specify the command and arguments.
The MCP tools reference shows Search Gem lets you find Path of Exile gems by name or keyword, returning up to 20 fuzzy matched results. You can build, deploy, and manage AI agents easily in Kubernetes with kagent. It's a Kubernetes native framework, and we'll see how it handles multiple LLM providers. The Getting Started section offers a quick start and installation guide, so you can get kagent running quickly.
Under technical details, agents are the main building block, defined as Kubernetes custom resources. Kagent supports many LLM providers like OpenAI and Google Vertex AI. The Get Involved section welcomes contributions. You can report bugs, suggest features, or even submit pull requests to help improve kagent. Finally, the Reference section confirms kagent is a cloud-native computing foundation project, licensed under the Apache 2.0 license.
You can find 241 summer 2026 internships across tech fields like software engineering and AI, updated daily. Plus, we'll show you how to get email alerts for new roles.
This section, Summer 2026 Tech Internships by Pitt CSC and Simplify, explains how the Pitt Computer Science Club and Simplify maintain the list daily.
The Legend section defines key symbols, like a lock for closed applications or a graduation cap for roles requiring an advanced degree. The FAQ section answers common questions, like what kinds of internships are listed and where they come from. Under Software Engineering Internship Roles, you'll find a table listing companies, roles, locations, and how long ago the application was posted. Finally, the Product Management Internship Roles section offers a similar table, and it's where you can learn about historical opening dates for big tech product internships.
Crawlee helps you build reliable scrapers that appear human-like even with default settings. It handles everything end-to-end, and we'll see how it integrates with the Apify platform later. This library covers crawling and scraping end-to-end, helping you build reliable scrapers that are fast and appear human-like to bypass bot protections. To install, you can use the Crawlee CLI for a quick start, which sets up boilerplate code, or manually install it into your project using npm. Crawlee offers a single interface for HTTP and headless browser crawling, with features like persistent queues, automatic scaling, and integrated proxy rotation. While Crawlee is open source and runs anywhere, it's developed by Apify, making it easy to deploy and run in the cloud on the Appify platform. For support, you can submit an issue on GitHub for bugs, or ask questions on Stack Overflow, GitHub discussions, or their Discord server to get help.
That's the mix for today. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily repo trends.